What's happening, people? Back in the kitchen again. It is video number 2, and like I said yesterday, these evening ones are just going to be a little bit quicker, probably not the 10-15 minute videos that you normally get from me, and definitely not out and about looking at this weather. Jeez. Right, we're having a Rustlers today, meatball sub. It's new apparently. I've not seen it before, and I've got this in B&M, but that new is a sticker. It's not on the packaging, so whether it's a trick or not, who knows. So it's got a crisping sleeve, the marinara meatball sub sandwich. So I had something similar from Aldi, but it was it, did I warm that up? I can't remember off the top of my head. I'll link that video at the end of this one. Yeah, so Rustlers have got their own version. I think it was £1.79 from B&M, which is, it's not expensive, it's cheap compared. It's cheaper than the Aldi one, I believe. I think that was £1.99 or £2.49. It's got a decent size to it. It says there it's got a crisping sleeve, so I'm hoping that the bread, if it's microwaved, won't be like soggy and horrible. That's the only problem with Rustlers. I used to work with a mate who literally had a Rustlers every day. We used to work nights in a tyre factory, and he had a Rustlers every night, and he swore by them. I think they're about 99p back then. You're a bit of a tight geek, that's why probably. But yeah, these, I don't really like them, Rustlers. Not the burgers anyway. I've never had one of these meatball subs, man. I do like a meatball sub. Mrs. Deano does like the chicken burger version. Sometimes she has that at work. Now if I'm having the Rustlers, I'll toast my buns because I always think it goes soggy in microwave. So I'm hoping this crisping sleeve will do it give it a bit more bite than just a soggy wet bun. Right, let's have a look at this pack. Here it is, Rustlers, the marinara meatball sub. Now, the first thing I can see is there's no cheese. But it doesn't look like there's any cheese in it. You've got surely you have cheese on a sub, a meatball sub. Cheese and to marinara sauce. It says with marinara sauce and it's got a crisping sleeve. Keep refrigerated, which has been, like I said, that's a sticker. So let's have a look at the ingredients. So 29% meatballs, and of that the pork is 29% and beef 17%. So the meatballs are actually 46% meat. Then you've got 11% lentils in there. That's just to fill it out, I think. Pork, beef and lentil meatballs in a sub roll with a sachet of marinara sauce. That is the nutritional information there. 316 calories for one of these meatball subs, but obviously because of the bread, 50 grams of carbohydrates. So these meatballs are actually lentil balls. You've got wheat, soya and mustard as the allergens. Right, so how to cook. Remove the packaging and then insert sub into the crisping sleeve. Pop in the microwave and heat on full power, remembering to turn over halfway. Squeeze over the marinara sauce and enjoy. 60 seconds, turn over, 60 seconds. So 2 minutes this takes. Let's take a look at it. So that's it. It's dry. It looks really dry. You've got 4 meatballs / lentil balls and a small sachet of marinara sauce, which you don't have to warm up, it says. So I'll get this in this crisping sleeve. And then you turn over halfway. So it goes in the microwave like that, so you don't toast the bun. Goes in like that. Turn over halfway. Definitely said don't put the marinara sauce on. Remove from packaging, insert sub into crisping food, pop in the microwave. Marinara sauce on at the end apparently. So the marinara sauce will be cold. Right, let's give it a go. Here it is. It doesn't look like the crisping sleeve has worked because that is the softest, doughiest. It's like wet bread. Anyway, we'll get this marinara sauce on and give it a go. I mean, it doesn't look like the packet, does it? Look at that. Mine looks a bit pathetic, I'll be honest. Let's just try and spread it a bit, try and get it a bit. I do think it's lacking cheese, if I'm honest. I do have some cheese which I may add, but I will give it a go as it comes first. So let's have a taste. I'm not going to lie, it actually smells quite good. It smells like really nice marinara sauce. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, well, eat it like it's supposed to be eaten. I was going to add cheese, but I feel like it's unfair for the review if I add cheese. I've got to just try it as it is, haven't I? Really, because that's how it comes. Because if you're buying this, it doesn't come with cheese. Now, imagine a cheese pull there. That would have been fantastic. Right. We'll go straight into this meatball. The bread actually does have a little crisp to the outside, and it is but it's still very doughy. We'll give it a go. Actually quite nice. I do like the bread as well. Really, it is quite a thick doughy bread, but it is really tasty. The marinara sauce is fantastic. No need to warm it up. Very tomatoey. Really nice, herby. Of course, the meatballs are not the best quality, but you know, they do the job. It's really hot. But that's inside the meatball lamb. But it's not, it's only 47% meat really. You got lentils and other fillers in there. They're not bad. They're nowhere near as good as like the homemade meatballs I made with spaghetti meatballs at HelloFresh. But if you need a quick snack for work or something, this will do. This Rustlers Marinara Meatball Sub. If you're a fan of meatball subs, of course, it's not bad. I probably won't buy it again because obviously I don't really eat this sort of stuff, apart from when I'm reviewing it. But I'm quite fortunate enough to be self-employed, so I have like an oven and things like that, and I can take as much time as I want. I'm cooking my dinner if I want to have dinner. I generally have fish. Generally have fish butties because I quite like a fish butty. So, but this, if you're looking for something for work, probably would be better with cheese. Everything's better with cheese. It's not bad. It's not great, but it's not bad. I give it a 7 out of 10 for a micro sandwich. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow at 12 for hopefully another double Deano day where we're cooking HelloFresh again tomorrow. See you then.
Doing a great job. Just
Did somebody say just?
What's happening, people? Back in the kitchen again. Hope you're all fantastic. Thanks for watching. Would be special. Wouldn't buy that again.